Welcome back to my series, Rebuilding After Cancer Treatment. Story time muna before my diagnosis. July 2024, my sister-in-law got diagnosed with breast cancer. Honestly, sobrang scary nun for me kasi siya yung first person sa family and close circle ko na nagkaroon ng cancer. Medyo napraning din ako after that, so I started checking myself regularly. Then, around August 2024, may nakapa akong lump. But even then, dina-downplay ko pa siya. I told my husband Mark na unahin muna namin yung sister niya. She had her surgery scheduled in Abu Dhabi that October. And we wanted to be there for support since silang mag-asawa lang yun nandun. At that point, wala talaga akong kilalang may cancer. Yung image ko lang ng cancer patients came from TV and movies. Kalbo, sobrang payat, and mukhang may sakit. But when we arrived in Abu Dhabi and I saw my sister-in-law, nagulat talaga ako. She looked healthy. She even lost weight, glowing pa nga siya. Hindi mo talaga isipin na may cancer siya. And that's when I realized, baka hindi pala accurate yung mga image ng cancer patients na nakikita natin online or sa TV. But what amazed me the most wasn't how she looked. It was how calm she was. Parang wala siyang takot sa upcoming surgery niya. Even on the actual day, sobrang peaceful niya. And that was the first time I truly understood what surrender means. She said she already surrendered everything to God. Kaya wala na siyang nararamdamang fear. And honestly, that stayed with me. This is day 2 of 75 Hard.